Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Swiffer Duster Extender is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools out there. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their home spotless without the hassle of constantly moving furniture or straining their back. In this video, we're diving deep into the Swiffer Duster Extender, exploring its features, and showing you exactly why it deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. Get ready to say goodbye to dust bunnies and hello to a cleaner, more comfortable living space. Number 5. Swiffer Dusters Refill 18CT. This is the Swiffer Dusters Refill, designed to make your cleaning easier. It's a disposable alternative to feather and microfiber dusters, perfect for various surfaces. The Swiffer Dusters trap and lock dust, preventing it from circulating in the air. This helps to promote cleaner air in your home or office. It helps remove up to 95% of common inanimate allergens. Use it on electronics, furniture, blinds, and more to keep your space clean and healthy. This is great for dusting furniture, blinds, ceiling fans, and even your car interior. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store. Consider the heavy-duty version with 2x fibers for even more cleaning power. Buy Swiffer worry-free with our money-back guarantee. What we like? This Swiffer duster is great at removing allergens, perfect for those with sensitivities. It's also compact and easy to store, making it ideal for smaller living spaces. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to keep your home clean and your air fresh, this is a great choice. What people say. They grab dust like a magnet, even in hard-to-reach corners. Lightweight and disposable, they make cleaning fast and hassle-free. The 360-degree swivel head really works wonders for getting into all the nooks and crannies. Number 4. Swiffer Heavy Duty 3 Feet Extendable Duster Kit. This kit includes a 3-foot extendable handle and 3 dusters. It's designed to make dusting easier and more effective. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to use. To assemble, just fluff up the duster pad and slide it onto the handle. Now, you're ready to tackle dust. It's that easy to get started. This duster removes up to 95% of common allergens from surfaces. It traps and locks dust, cat and dog dander, and dust mite matter. It helps you breathe easier. The specially coated fibers reach deep into nooks and crannies. It grabs, traps, and locks dust from every direction. You'll capture 3x more dust than with a feather duster. The 3-foot extendable handle is perfect for vents, blinds, and ceiling fans. It helps you remove dust from those difficult spots. It makes cleaning your home a breeze. Dust can circulate back into the air, but this duster traps and locks it away. It promotes cleaner air in your home. It's ideal for small spaces. Swiffer dusters are perfect for tough city dust. The specially coated fibers tackle sooty messes with ease. It traps and locks dust from your surfaces. What we like? This Swiffer duster features an extendable handle, allowing you to reach those tricky spots like ceiling fans and high shelves. It captures 3 times more dust than a regular feather duster. If you have a larger home or struggle with hard-to-reach areas, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high places. It is easy to maneuver and get into tight spaces. The duster head is effective at picking up dust and dirt. Number 3. 9PCS Extendable Microfiber Duster Cleaning Kit. This kit includes everything you need for a thorough clean. It comes with multiple duster heads and an extension pole, making it perfect for any cleaning task. It's designed to make your cleaning easier and more efficient. The handle extends from 16 to 84 inches, with the duster head reaching up to 100 inches. This allows you to clean high ceilings, ceiling fans, and other hard-to-reach areas without needing a ladder. It's designed for convenience and safety. The duster head is bendable, allowing you to adjust it to different angles. This feature makes it easy to clean various surfaces and corners. You can easily shape it to fit your needs. The chenille and cleaning cloth are removable and machine washable. This makes it easy to clean and reuse the duster heads. The microfiber feather duster and window blind duster can only be washed by hand. This duster is suitable for various surfaces, including furniture, blinds, and ceiling fans. It's also great for cleaning door and window tracks. It is a versatile tool for your home or office. What we like? This duster kit comes with an extendable pole that reaches up to 100 inches, making cleaning high ceilings a breeze. The bendable head allows for easy cleaning of various angles. If you're looking for a versatile, reusable, and eco-friendly option for your home, consider this one. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high places. It is easy to maneuver and get into tight spaces. The duster head is effective at picking up dust and dirt. Number 2. Swiffer Duster Refills Kit, 25-pack and 1 handle. This duster kit is designed to make cleaning easier. It grabs and holds more dust in a single sweep. The all-round design ensures no spot is missed. This duster is perfect for cleaning pet hair, electronics, and furniture. It is also suitable for blinds, ceiling fans, and car interiors. It is a cheaper alternative. Simply insert the handle into the duster, and you're ready to go. The universal design makes it compatible with other brands. You can switch between brands effortlessly. The handle is made from biodegradable polypropylene. It's safe for everyday use and environmentally friendly. The reinforced structure ensures it lasts. We are committed to providing a clean environment for you. Any product issues will be addressed within 24 hours. You can get a replacement or refund without returning it. What we like. This duster kit grabs and holds 4 times more dust in a single sweep. It's designed for multi-surface use, making it ideal for various cleaning tasks. If you are looking for an efficient and cost-effective way to keep your home dust-free, this is a great choice. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high places. It is very easy to use. The duster head is effective at picking up dust and dirt. Number 1. Swiffer 360 Dusters Extender Kit. Tired of struggling to reach those high places? This kit extends up to 3 feet, making it easy to clean ceilings, fans, and more. It helps you get the job done quickly and efficiently. The handle extends to 3 feet, giving you the extra reach you need. It's perfect for tackling those hard-to-reach areas without straining yourself. This feature makes cleaning a breeze. The rotating duster head is designed to trap dust from every angle. It effortlessly captures dust and allergens, leaving your home cleaner and healthier. This feature ensures a thorough clean every time. This product traps dust in hard-to-reach areas. It's designed to grab and hold on to dust, so it doesn't just move it around. This helps you get a more effective clean. You can find this product at the BX. It's a convenient and effective solution for all your dusting needs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This Swiffer duster extends up to 3 feet, making it easy to reach high places. The rotating duster head ensures that it traps dust effectively. If you want a simple and effective tool for tackling dust in hard-to-reach areas, this is the one for you. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high places. It is very easy to use and maneuver. The duster head is effective at picking up dust and dirt. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.